Hi everyone, my name is Mary Lanier. I am the Director of the Virology and Immunology Group at SRI International. I want to talk about the importance of the COVID-19 vaccine by showing you how it works and giving you information to help you make an informed decision about whether or not you should be vaccinated. The first thing to understand about the importance of the vaccine is to know what happens when the virus infects. A virus is going to do what a virus does and infect. Once you've been exposed, initially the virus will drop to levels that are undetectable. It will replicate for a period of time inside of your cells. It will emerge, peak, and then it will be cleared from your body. Your body has no idea that the virus threat is there, and it has no idea that it may become infected. The virus, in essence, blindsides you. Your body's initial response is what we refer to as an innate response, and this response cannot clear the infection. This response is more of a speed bump for the virus. It will help to slow it, but it's not going to clear the virus. You really need the other components of your immune response to clear this infection. You will get an antibody response that will come up, which is a poor antibody response, and this will eventually become a good antibody response, but this takes about 2 weeks. So the virus has already been cleared before your good antibodies come around. Therefore, these good antibodies are not even present to help you fight this infection. The real thing that's clearing this first infection are your T cells. Your T cells are going to come up, and they are going to peak, and they are going to clear the virus. Now, what's really going on during this blindsiding is that you have a period of what I would call an immune lag, where the virus is able to replicate freely in your body. On the other end, because there is so much virus, you have a period of immune overreaction. And this is what really leads to the enhanced convalescence and recovery periods. This can last for months simply because it takes that long for your lungs to recover. This is also where you have symptoms and transmission, which means you're able to pass the virus on to other people before it gets cleared. Now let's talk about how the vaccine can help and intervene. Basically, the vaccine is simply giving your body a heads up that the COVID virus is out there. You get the vaccine, it will be degraded, it does not replicate like the real virus. You will have your immune response, it will be weaker. You will have your initial poor antibody response that will become a good antibody response. Your T cells will also respond and peak, though weaker. Then you will get boosted. The boost will have the same effect as the vaccine and be degraded. This time, though, there is no lag in your body's response. I want to point out here that there is still a 2-week lag period after your first dose to get those good antibodies. What changes now when you get your boost is that you already have antibodies present, so they respond and come up immediately, and they get even better. Same with your T cells. You have your T cells present, and they come up, and they immediately respond. Finally, when you're exposed to the virus at some point, the virus will do what a virus does. It will infect. It will get inside of your cells, it will replicate, and it will come out, but it will not reach high levels because the virus is rapidly cleared. And that is since there is no lag from your body's response. You have your better antibodies present that will respond, and they become even better after the virus. You also have T cells that respond immediately, and the virus gets cleared very rapidly. Most importantly, there is no transmission, so you're not infecting those around you, and there is no convalescence. The damage to your lungs is minimal, if any, and you're able to go about your life as though you were not infected. I hope this helps give you information about why getting a vaccine is important, not only for you, but also for protecting those around you. Thank you for listening.